Welcome to the Associate Delivery Manager online training. In this video, you will know what is coming your way. We'll start by giving you an overview on the entire certification. The course is organized in 7 modules. You will need to complete each module by doing each of the lessons in it. Lessons will have a webinar and sometimes a hands-on exercise that you can do to practice what you've learned in the lesson. Once you complete all lessons, you must take the test that will be the key to the next module in the certification. This is the first lesson of this course. By following this course, you will attain the Associate Delivery Manager certification level. In this lesson, you will learn the type of projects this certification level is adequate for and which other levels are available for Agile professionals. Then you will learn the major role and responsibilities of a delivery manager. We call this module Being a Delivery Manager. It will focus on architecture, project management, team building and quality assurance. Next, you will go through the full life cycle of an Agile project, the Agile Project Lifecycle module, and you will take a look at all the steps of this process, focusing on the ones where the delivery manager plays an active role. It's then time to get your hands dirty, starting with the customer requirements, going through project management, and ending up preparing future versions. You'll see it all. Knowing all the activities on the Agile methodology and putting them into practice using the Agile Network Projects tool comes next. Bootstrapping a project, planning and tracking your sprints, and managing feedback are just a few of the tasks you'll need to do. Designing the correct architecture and using best practices to guarantee a quality delivery are topics to be addressed on the Building It Right module. You'll also learn more about infrastructure environments, performance and troubleshooting. Once you're done with all the modules, the Going Pro module is about you moving forward as an Agile professional, either by participating on real projects or by attending a Delivery Manager bootcamp. You will also learn what is required to move forward to the professional level. Now that you know what is coming, let's take a look over the Delivery Manager certification levels. You, as a Delivery Manager, will be responsible for making sure the delivery team lives by the values and practices of Agile. You'll have to protect the team by making sure they do not overcommit themselves to what they can achieve during sprint iterations. You'll also be responsible for the solutions architecture definition. The Associate is the starting point of the Delivery Manager career track. Most of the times, you will work with a professional delivery manager, or you already have experience as a professional developer and are now entering the project management track. With this certification level, you will be able to deliver simple projects. These are typically evolution or maintenance projects with a well-defined scope, where no significant business analysis is required, since the customer knows what he wants and is fully committed. The application has none or minimum external dependencies, and the user interface is based on the style guide. The projects are no longer than 8 weeks with up to 2 developers involved. In these projects, it is common to have the Associate Delivery Manager also acting as the project's engagement manager. Moving into professional level is achieved by getting experience and being endorsed by your professional peers. They need to consider you autonomous in your tasks and able to perform without needing support. A professional delivery manager manages medium complexity projects. The problem has some gray areas and requires stronger architectural work and business analysis. It has a committed customer, but that needs some help from the project team. The integrations to other systems are typically well defined. The projects should be shorter than 12 weeks, and you will be able to manage a team of up to 3 developers. An endorsed professional delivery manager will be able to mentor fellow associate delivery managers in their tasks. Being an expert delivery manager is achieved through experience and recognition. He is capable of managing very high complexity projects. These projects are typically mission critical. They tend to be poorly defined and therefore need extensive business analysis, sometimes requiring the incorporation in the team of business analysts. The customer is complex to manage and their decisions are not centralized, resulting in difficult and time-consuming activities. The projects usually have multiple and complex integrations to external systems, resulting on high-risk dependencies. These projects tend to be long, over 12 weeks, and have big teams with 4 or more developers. It's now time to put the show on the road. Take this models test and move forward to the Being a Delivery Manager module. To learn more about the Agile platform, go to our online training, the Agile Network Academy, and take the courses there. To get hands-on several technical resources, discussion forums, and ready-to-use components and applications, visit the Agile Network's Tech Center. Thank you for watching, and please send us your feedback to training@outsystems.com.